Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to recover all Chrome bookmarks. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot menu and navigate to Bookmark and List. From the menu, scroll down until you find the option called Bookmark Manager. Click on it, and you will land in this interface. Just click on the three-dot on the top right again, and click on Import Bookmarks. Now, if you have previously exported or saved any bookmarks on the device, you can just import it from here. And as you can see, we have imported some of the bookmarks from the device. But let's say if you have not exported or saved any of the bookmarks, what you can do is just go to the three-dot menu again and go to your account and make sure your sync is turned on and sign in with the same account you have used before. And Chrome will restore your bookmark automatically. To summarize this, we have successfully recovered all Chrome bookmark either from a backup file or by syncing your Google account. So all your saved websites are now restored in Chrome. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.